Okay, this other car wash is right here. Wasn't on the map the first time, but oh, it's just SusGloss Maxx. Oh well. I guess I'll get in line. Whoa.
Welcome. To purchase a car wash, make a wash selection and enter your method of payment.
Okay, the name of this place is called Valley Wash Rack, and then you can see there are your wash packages. Plus read. Then other instructions, machine. Anyway, yeah, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Well, I could do quarters, but that would take a while. Alright, I think that'll work for a thumbnail. Alright.
You have selected the Ultimate Car Wash. Please deposit $11.
And as usual, I will time-lapse this part while I'm putting in a bunch of my quarters. Okay, this thing looks kinda sus. And I was also worried that the machine would finish before putting how many quarters $13 is, or $11 a quarters is worth, or how many quarters $11 is. So yeah. Got slimline dryers down there. And no floor treadle on this one, thank goodness. They either removed them originally or installed this later model SusGloss Maxx when they removed the treadles. I don't know. This thing looks kind of sus.
Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please
Oh,
the wash bay.
now it wants me to go. People taking forever with the dryer seems usual. Alright, come on. Exit out already. Don't want the machine to quit on me. So that's the last thing I want. Had happened to me before, it's disappointing. Red and black. Interesting combo. Not totally straight. Should have straightened myself out more. Oh well. The thing is still spinning down there. What is it doing? Making some weird sounds too. Yeah, that tri-foam doesn't look like tri-foam. Especially on the car in front of me, it didn't. Oh yeah, it's kind of, it's really watery though. I've seen worse. Goodness, making a lot of racket back there. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to fix my mirrors, yay. Only one brush pass. Some machines do too, well, because of how they're programmed. I'd still pick these over the newer Maxx 5s because the newer ones, they're not as refined as the older ones. Seems like another popular place because there's like 2-3 people behind me. It's like everybody's getting their car washed today all over the place. Should be the last pass. They got slim lines, but there's no cover on them. Let's see how these do. And gyros nozzles don't pivot. Still doing decent. That almost flipped it out. I don't want to wait forever like the last person, so I'm just gonna get it off and go fix my mirrors first anyway. Alright, well, that one seemed okay. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed that car wash. Thank you all for watching. See y'all in the next one.